Eccentric neural grooving is one of my absolute favorite mobility techniques to increase both mobility and strength at the same time. This mobility training technique involves the use of eccentric reps, or negatives, to strengthen your muscles through a full range of motion. An eccentric contraction occurs as your muscles lengthen under load. During the eccentric phase of a movement, your muscles contract at a much higher intensity when compared to a concentric phase, which occurs as your muscles shorten. This allows you to build your strength and mobility at a much faster rate than when using concentric movements alone. Now let's put this into practice. You'll often see people stretching their hamstrings passively by holding stretches like this for long periods of time. While this stretch is great for increasing your overall flexibility, it's still missing an active component. That's where the bent to straight leg stretch comes into play. This mobility drill uses eccentric loading to open up your lower back, calves, and hamstrings through a full range of motion. When you combine these two exercises, you get a potent 1-2 combo for releasing tight hamstrings.